Alright guys, so we're here at the meeting spot, waiting for Alec to show up. And we're pretty sure we can hear him coming. Oh
right
yeah.
There. Looking clean. Alright, join the squad. Alright, join the parking squad formation.
No Rally Kings member right here.
Let's hear it, Alex. Come on. Oh, straight to the goodies.
Straight to the hood.
Straight to the goodies. All right.
He's got a flex on us, guys.
Here.
Oh yeah. We heard you come from here.
We heard you, buddy.
Check this out. What we got going on under here?
Ooh, okay. Where's it at though?
Yeah, split it.
Damn, man. Okay.
Check that out, guys.
Dumb bitch.
All right.
Is it good though? Yeah. You having fun now?
That's so much better than before. I bet. You already know.
That's the whole car. What year FRS is this? 13 FRS? Party of the Peak. Are you one of the people who cares if we get your plate in the video? Alright, that out. Alright.
What up, YouTube? I'm with my boy Alec right now. We're in the FRS, going for a quick first ride. I've been in this car when it was stock, and I'm gonna be honest, Alec, it was pretty damn slow.
It's slow. Yeah, it's not.
But with this turbo now, we're gonna see, guys, if Alec can keep up with the big boys over there.
Where should we go?
Yeah, I guess go right. Yeah, hop on Godfredson. And then what's it called? We could switch when we get off, and then I can grab his car, and then he can ride back. Oh, okay. All right, guys. I wasn't expecting that. I was mid-conversation. I didn't get to experience that correctly. You're gonna have to do that again.
I can do that again.
Speaking of,
what? So that wasn't even that good.
yeah, I was gonna say it didn't really come out much. I think you early shifted on that one. Are you still running summer tires right now?
Yeah.
Really?
For the auto show, I put them back.
Okay. Yeah, the auto show's coming up, guys. We're probably gonna make a video on that too. But I'll pick the camera back up once we really start doing pulls. You know, we're being safe, not doing it on regular roads. Deuce. All right, we're on the on-ramp, guys.
So this is actually from the new ones.
Oh.
Because Toyota, you know how Toyota sells them out. So this is just from a new one. So it's stock in the new one. Other.
That's crispy. Guys, we got Dan here with us. Even Dan has a little trouble, you know, just cruising along with us.
That was pretty close. He started up low one time.
Yeah, his third gear is fucking amazing. Because he has, what's your gear? He has 331. You know?
I
no idea.
To a bunch of people.
Sing drone a lot.
It used to be way worse, actually.
Really?
Like, yeah, I don't know. After the supercharger, it's not as bad. Like, especially on the highway.
Huh.
Yeah.
That's dope. You can hear it spool up.
Yeah, yeah.
That's fucking
Once
sweet.
you get to the top end, you can start to hear it.
That's
It's
fucking
sweet.
dope.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
it's so much more fun to drive now.
Damn.
On Saturday is usually driving related.
Shit. This thing pulls good though.
Yeah, he didn't pull away right away. I was surprised actually.
No, I feel like with a little bit better tune,
Yeah.
you could definitely start dusting people.
Yeah, I mean,
If it was a 4.6 Mustang, you would have been in the lead. You're gonna beat those all day. They're only 300 horse.
oh shit. Yeah, especially once it's like done on E85, it'll have 70 more horsepower. So.
Shit.
Yeah. Right now it added like 90 wheel.
Okay.
So it'll have 70 more wheel once it's on E85.
Damn. How much did these things make stock?
200 crank. So it's like 160-ish.
Okay. Damn, I always thought they were a little bit faster than that, but no, this is how they should be set up.
Exactly.
This is nice.
This is how, especially since Subaru, they know how to do turbos because the WRX and every other car has
Exactly.
them. It should have a turbo from the factory, but
Yeah.
I don't know why they did it.
All right, guys.
What up, YouTube?
So we're back at another parking garage,
Yup.
holding our third meet.
Third meet, yeah.
The second one really was just kind of like something with us. We just went to a mall. It really wasn't much. But this one is going to be another official one like the first. So going down the lineup again.
Might as well wait.
For right now.
Yeah.
We're waiting on other people, but we got 3 Mustangs, 2 BMWs, and a Ford Fusion.
You know,
way over there.
You gotta have the dailies in the car meets.
Oh yeah,
Everybody be driving their dailies, so
Right?
You know how it is.
exactly. We got a small little audience over there. We're just waiting on more people to arrive. We kind of got here early, of course, because it's held by us.
Yep.
So
As usual,
We're gonna
we always
chill.
show up early.
wait for the rest of the people to arrive
Yeah,
and get back to the video.
Yes, sir. All right, guys.
All right.
Just get it rolling.
All right, guys. So a few more cars rolled in. We got everybody. And of course, we had to make a little bit of noise today. So we got everybody here. And of course, the feds had to pull up.
Yeah. You guys smell that bacon?
Right?
Where's Mo and Danny? These guys got a YouTube channel.
Yeah,
Hey.
we're just doing a little car.
Yeah, we're just mini car meet. That's all.
Don't want to subscribe?
Hey, you want a car?
Yeah, business card?
We got business
We got
cards.
business cards.
subscribe on
You have a Gmail account?
Here, I'll walk you through.
Yeah, we're
We just like to check out everyone's new mod.
everybody's new mod.
We're just parking here, so.
Nothing crazy.
We're good, right? Security can roll through here? I would, no. We haven't
Not
seen
yet.
anybody. I've been here since what, 7 o'clock?
Probably,
Yeah, give or take. We got here like 6:50. No, nobody else.
If they should come through and have an issue, just,
We'll call you guys.
you don't have to call us.
We'll let them
What
know.
you to do.
Okay,
It
so.
closes at 9, so
Okay.
after that, they might want you guys to.
All right. Yeah, that's no problem.
As long as we're not doing anything crazy.
Yeah.
No, we're just all parked checking out the cars. There's no revving or anything, so. All right.
All right, guys, be safe.
Yeah, cool. Thank you.
All right. Now we're going to take my Explorer and race his Explorer.
Oh my!
All right, guys. So chilling at the meet right now. We got all these whips, all these folks. Low key, the But who even invited this dude?
I don't know. Look, I just showed up. I just seen the spot, bro. My car went in it, dog. That's
On
it.
God. And he decided to park next to me too. Y'all want to be on? Come on. Go ahead and introduce. Shout yourself out. Shout your channel out.
What's up? I'm Kyle.
This is my
I'm
boy
the
Kyle.
co-owner of our new channel, Parking Product.
He got to work on the new
Parking
channel.
Garage Productions.
We'll link it down below.
Yeah, I don't have any videos out though.
Yeah, we're gonna work.
We gonna work on it.
We're gonna work on that. I was letting the camera see, you know, our boy Aiden though. Yeah. Oh, he froze. All right, guys, we're about to go through a lineup real quick. Show you who's here. Hold up.
All right.
Alrighty, folks.
So to start off the list,
Go ahead, Dan.
right here. What year is it? I don't know. We have a '95 Ford Pro
GT.
Yep.
Many. 5-speed.
Was going to replace the Mustang.
For sale, by the way, if anybody wants it. My boy is selling the car. Oh!
These are facts.
Oh! Calvin Johnson! Now that's our boy Eric. We'll get to his car in a minute. Keep going down the line. You know,
Ford Fusion.
daily.
I'm sure you've seen one on the road.
Daily driven. Daily driven. The feds showed up and stayed actually.
Look. God damn it, Aiden, where you at though? Oh shit.
He brought it.
brought it.
Man, there we go.
Let me. Hey, look, you a narc?
Are you?
Fuck no.
Are you the feds?
Oh, we good. We good.
We good. We good. Okay.
All right.
Now,
So, these floors, you've seen one,
Okay.
guaranteed.
this car was here last time too. Our buddy Nick's 19. I believe it's velocity blue. Or
Yeah.
it's the black. It's blue G. You know what it
Once
is.
again, it's blue.
It's blue.
The cars you've already seen on the channel. Then, from that,
Yeah.
we got Katrina.
Yeah.
We got a blue.
This is actually.
BMW.
Yep.
I don't know a lot about BMW.
This is a
Which
three.
one is it?
It's a 328i.
M328i M package.
Well, what is it?
Got the M package, M328i.
What's it? What you
So
got?
it's
Anything
got
else to it?
M performance parts all over exterior. It's got no M powertrain, but everything else is M.
M
No
everything.
powertrain.
All right.
You gotta get the M grill, bro. Yeah, that'd be sweet. But continuing down,
We got
another Beamer.
no hood. Don't worry about that though.
Don't worry about that story. That's for another day.
Yup. We got Fern's BMW.
My buddy Fern.
Right here, 2K19, subscribe to
Yep.
Mustangs of Michigan. I don't know if you guys can read that, but it's written on the hood,
I don't know. Oh, you might be able to. A little bit.
right? And then we got another BMW.
With the demon eyes.
Color change.
If I could get this mount to work,
You need help.
I do need help. There we go. Okay. With the color change of demon eyes. Color change of demon eyes.
I don't know if you can see them inside there, but you know.
Yep. We have a usual. Selena's here.
The other Ford Performance Banner Rocky Mustang.
Selena's here.
We got another 2019.
TJ's car. Featuring Michael. We got Nick's car.
Nick's V6,
BBK headers. That is what he has, right? Yeah. Wherever he is.
but it is heavily modified.
Heavily modified. It's a manual too, believe it or not. This is Eric's car, aka Calvin Johnson. Cause he good as shit at football, that ass. This Eric's whip. Eric's actually getting a new car too. Well, he wanted. Oh, Calvin, go ahead.
Alright, this is a 2002 Mustang right here. It's a metallic gray, that's what it's called, I guess. Whatever.
Oh,
Right now, I got the, the low beam sides on.
Oh.
I got the light bar in the
light
front.
bar in the
Light
front.
Come around to the side. Oh,
Let me go to the
you
side.
are-
Oh,
it's like MTV Cribs.
MTV
but it's-
Cribs. Oh, party mode.
Just like us, that's what's up.
Okay, we dancing tonight.
You already know.
Okay,
Gotta throw them movies in.
man.
Yeah, the new stay is coming soon. That's all I gotta say.
The new Stang's coming soon.
35 days.
What year you
35
getting
days.
actually?
14.
14. Ooh. He getting the, oh, he joining the crew with Dan. Joining the crew with Dan, guys. But besides that, guys, that is the lineup for right now.
We're probably gonna go on a cruise.
More than likely, yeah. And
Take
Besides that,
most of
cuz-
the people here with us.
yeah, most of the chumps is coming with us. The Explorer might not. Nah, we good.
As you did see, we did have a cop roll through earlier.
Yeah, the police did show up, and luckily for Max, he wasn't here. All right, guys. Dude. Alrighty guys, so right now the meet is pretty much over. We're actually gonna go on a gang cruise. I don't know if you all can see that. All these cars. We're gonna shift. But yeah, we got about 14 or so cars actually going on a cruise tonight, and we're about to hop on the highway and just chillax, see everybody's car go by and have a good time, and me and Dan will pick up the camera when we're ready. Till then guys, deuce. Alrighty YouTube, here you have it. Finish the video for tonight. Finish the video. And this is actually the final people that stuck around for the cruise. Got a couple folks. We still got Calvin Johnson. DJ Johnson's still here, but besides that, guys, we had a fun time. The show was actually better than the first show. So besides that, guys, yeah, we're in Ann Arbor right now. But anyways, make sure you smash that subscribe button, drop a like below, drop a comment, had the notification bell on,
And have a good night.
Thank you. At least Dan remembered one thing.